Hey, welcome to Kitchen Vibes with me, Jorge. Today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make rice. Very simple, very easy, very delicioso. So let's get started. So here's what you need. 2 cups of rice, a drizzle or up to a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of butter, 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 4 cups of water. First, we're gonna show you how to rinse the rice. So once the water starts to run clear, that's when you know it's been rinsed properly. And as you can see here, it's starting to run clear right now. So we are good to go. So I'm currently using a Dutch oven, but this could also work with a stainless steel pot or even a saucepan if that's what you have. Honestly, this is what I go to make my rice, but you don't really need to have this to be successful at making this rice. So I'm adding the rice in. I'm turning on the burner to a medium heat. And at this time, that's when I drizzle in the olive oil. It's like a tablespoon. And then this is where I add my 2 tablespoons of butter. I like to coat the rice with the oil so that it could start to toast. When you're toasting your rice, I think that is one of my secrets that I like to do because you'll be able to get that nutty flavor that you don't really get when you're doing it in a rice cooker. I usually like to just let it sit there for a little bit, wait things to get heated up so all the flavors and all the oils and butters could all become friends and everything. So as you can see, it's starting to heat up now. And the toasting process of the rice usually, it probably takes around 5 to 8 minutes or so. As you can see here, that the butter is starting to melt now. All right, so as you can see here, it's starting to toast a little bit. You see the little opaque color. It's almost like an off-white. That's a sign that it's starting to toast. Alrighty, and now at this point, I'm adding my 4 cups of water, my 3 teaspoons of kosher salt. And now I stir and wait till the water gets to a boil. Till the water's starting to boil now and the rice is starting to cook. And you can start to see like the changes of the texture of the rice too as well. Well, I know that there's a big debate out there about washing your rice or not washing your rice. Let me know what you guys think. Hit me in the comments below and tell me if you guys wash your rice or if you don't. Either or, we're not here to judge. Kind of. So let's see. As you can see, now it's starting to turn a little bit of like almost that porridge consistency is what I say, or even like that oatmeal look to it. So my trick is waiting for just maybe a minute or 2 longer until most of the water has been absorbed into the rice. And that's when I shut off the heat. Put the lid on and wait for 18 minutes. All right, as you can see here now, it's starting to become, you see almost that oatmeal porridge consistency to it. So this is where I put the lid on and I turn off the heat. And now we wait for 18 minutes. So the rice is officially done. And now all we need to do now is to fluff the rice a bit. So this is how you fluff the rice. So you start to stir it a little bit, loosen up anything here. So you can start to see all the separations of the rice grains and they're not sticking together. And it's not even mushy at all, if you could see right here, Alrighty, and now it's time for the taste test. Let me grab a fork. Alrighty. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Oh, perfect. Tender, delicious, and super easy and super quick, like to make rice. And this would go perfectly with a fried egg on top, some stir fry, even a good steak. Like you could do anything that you want with it, but this came out really, really good. If you guys love this easy rice recipe, make sure you drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you're gonna pair this with. Until next time, let's keep those kitchen vibes strong.